Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. In the realm of American muscle cars, few vehicles capture the essence of raw power and performance like the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt. This car, a true marvel of engineering, was a product of Ford's tireless pursuit of speed and dominance on the drag racing circuit. Built specifically for racing, the Thunderbolt was not just a car. It was a statement of intent, showcasing Ford's commitment to performance at a time when the competition was fierce. The Thunderbolt emerged from a collaboration between Ford's engineering team and the famous Holman Moody Racing organization. Designed to compete in the Super Stock class, this car was stripped down to its bare essentials to maximize weight reduction and improve performance. The Thunderbolt featured a lightweight body, made from fiberglass for the hood, fenders, and trunk lid, which contributed to its impressive power-to-weight ratio. This focus on weight savings linked directly to the philosophy of racing at the time. Every pound mattered if you wanted to dominate the strip. Under the hood, the Thunderbolt boasted a formidable 427 cubic inch V8 engine, a powerhouse that produced around 600 horsepower. This monstrous engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels and enabling quick launches off the starting line. The sound of that engine roaring to life was music to the ears of any racing enthusiast, and its performance on the track was nothing short of exhilarating. The Thunderbolt could cover the quarter mile in just over 11 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars of its day. What set the Thunderbolt apart from other muscle cars was not just its raw power, but also its racing pedigree. Ford produced only 100 units of the Thunderbolt, making it a rare gem among collectors and enthusiasts. These cars were often modified and adapted by their owners for the drag strip, with many becoming legends in their own right due to their innovative design and racing success. The Thunderbolt's impact on the racing scene was significant, as it helped solidify Ford's reputation in the high-performance arena. Beyond its performance, the Thunderbolt holds a special place in automotive history as a symbol of the golden age of American muscle cars. It represented a time when manufacturers poured their resources into producing high-performance vehicles that thrilled drivers and spectators alike. The Thunderbolt was not just a car, it was a reflection of a culture that celebrated speed, competition, and the sheer joy of driving. Today, the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt is highly sought after by collectors and car enthusiasts. Its rarity, combined with its track history and iconic status, makes it a prized possession for anyone lucky enough to own one. Car shows and classic automotive events often feature these remarkable machines, where they draw crowds eager to catch a glimpse of a true racing legend. In the pantheon of American muscle cars, the Thunderbolt stands tall, not just for its impressive specifications, but for the spirit of passion and innovation it embodied. It reminds us of a time when speed ruled the roads and the roar of a V8 engine was the sound of freedom. Whether you're a die-hard Ford fan or simply a lover of classic cars, the 1964 Fairlane Thunderbolt remains a timeless tribute to the thrill of racing and the pursuit of performance.